Types of basketball violations. Your limits are somewhere up there, waiting for you to reach beyond infinity, by Arnold Henry. What kind of foul is committed between opposing players from body contact? Personal foul. When dribbling a ball, if a player lets it rest in midair, then chooses to dribble it again, what is the violation called? Double dribble. When a player makes a personal contact to slow down the opponent's movement, what is the violation called? Holding. When an offensive player with a ball runs towards the defending player, what is the violation called? Charging. When a player stays in the opponent's foul lane after 3 seconds while the said player's team has the offensive play in the forecourt, what is the violation? 3-second rule. Join us on Telegram, Instagram, and Facebook for more of English in 60 seconds. If you enjoyed this, subscribe now and we'll send more dynamic content your way.